I'm Arthur Lever. You guys have all seen my dad's videos working on stuff. Lately we've been working on this Packard, so we're going to start a new series called Restored as Needed. We're going to work on these survivor type cars, not going to a crazy degree, changing everything, repainting everything, but keeping the character of the car, repairing what's needed. So today's project was this timing cover. This is for the 352 in the Packard. You can see it's got a rope seal, old style rope seal. We got a new engine gasket kit, which came with a new seal, more modern type seal. So we got to figure out how to change from the rope to the new seal. We didn't really know how to do it, kind of fumbling through. Thought we'd make a video. So here it is.
So my son handed me an interesting problem here. I've never done a rope seal. So we're going to read the manual and follow it through. And it says, installing crankshaft front oil seal. Drive out the oil seal using a punch and a hammer. Be careful not to damage the cover. Place the new oil seal in position in the gear cover and press into place. Using installer tool J5983. Figure 67. Well, what we got in the rebuild kit was a modern seal, so this is kind of an expedition into unknown territory. But I'm going to assume the first thing we got to do is take this seal out of here, this old rope seal. Like so. And then it says to drive it out with a punch. Well, we're going to be a little more careful. We're going to use a piece of wood and I cut a bevel on it. And we can sit down on this seal. What we're getting up against is this seal right here. And it's not in there by much. So now it's out. So now what we have is a modern seal to go into the old rope seal holder. And we want the lip of the seal to face into the motor. So this thing goes in this way. So this seal has to sit into the retainer like so.
This is a lint-free cloth, as they recommend.
You didn't say anything about a lint-free cloth. Are you going to put any sealant on that?
You want it.
Okay. You got your grease in there? You want me to do that?
Okay.
Yep.
Seal it?
Yep.
You want me to do that too?
Sure.
Huh?
And this. This right here.
And this.
And that.
This is what the transmission guy said to do.
And his website is, or YouTube channel is?
Gearbox Video. Live stream. You have these glasses? Yeah. The glasses with the camera? Oh, okay. That's right. How much? Very good. Should I put it in this instead of on this?
I think I put it in there.
I looked at the video. Get that translate for me.
So what you've just seen is my son add some grease to the back side of the seal. That's supposed to be able to hold the spring in so it doesn't fall out, and then we put some anaerobic sealer around the adapter and the seal itself. And now the next thing is to place the new oil seal in position in the gear cover and press into place using installer tool J-5983 figure 68. Well, I have my Harbor Freight installer tool, and we will install the seal using that installer tool.
practically.
Okay. Okay, what we've done is made our own J5983 kit. I took an old race out of a tractor trailer, and I've got a block that'll fit down on top of that so it doesn't touch the bushing, and then we'll press it in. Oh. And we have one newly converted rope seal. Thanks for watching. There'll be more.